Welcome to the latest CGI Studio Snapshot. Today I'll show you how to bring a Figma cluster to life in just 1 minute. Let's get started with this Figma file. Ready, set, go! We import the Figma file into CGI Studio using the URL and your access token. The Smart Importer, powered by generative AI, automatically detects components and builds a functional HMI model instantly. Next, we switch to the Fusion editor. With its drag-and-drop interface, we connect text values to gauge animations. No coding needed. Scene structures, animations, and interactions come together visually and intuitively. Finally, we test the UI using the CGI panel and bring it to life with the value generator. Live signals, real-time behavior. It's never been easier to simulate and refine your HMI. Candera CGI Studio, from Figma to functional in just 1 minute. Ready to accelerate your HMI development? Schedule a meeting with our experts.